Today's topic is Worshipping theorem. So, if the given term is the form of e to the power at into f of t, if the question is given in the form of this and asked us to find the Laplace, then we will simply apply the formula. In the trick, it is f of s minus Laplace of e to the power at into f of t equal to f of s minus a. And also similarly, if the question came in the Laplace inverse form, then we have to also write that Laplace inverse of f of s minus a is becomes e to the power a t into f of t. Now see, these are some easy steps to find the first-stepping theorem. Find the Laplace using first-stepping theorem. Find a, find f of t, then find the Laplace of f of t, that is f of s, then replace s by s minus a. So now see, Laplace of 4 e to the power 4t. Okay, the Laplace of e to the power 4t into sine 3t. It is the question given. So it is in the form of Laplace of e to the power a t into f of t. So here a is what? We have to find the value of a, na? So a is 4. Here 4 and f of t is sine 3t. Now simply we have to just find the Laplace of f of t. That is Laplace of sine 3t, which becomes 3 by s square plus 3 square. Because we have read the formula before, Laplace of sine 80 is equals to a by s square plus a square. So same here, sine 3t becomes 3 by s square plus 3 square. For also cos, we know the formula s by s square plus a square. For cos, s in the last of cos, so s is the numerator. If sine, so a is the numerator. Okay. Now by applying the first-stepping theorem, we got the value, that is in place of s we have to just put s minus a, that is s minus 4 whole square plus 4. 3 by s minus 4 whole square plus 9. Okay, because we have to just replace the s in the term of s minus a, s equal to s minus a. So the, and as usual we have to write the answer, and the Laplace of e to the power 4t into sine 3t became 3 by s by minus 4 square plus 9. Okay, we will see another question, that is Laplace of e to the power 40 into t to the power 100, that is a is equals to 4, f of t equal to t to the power 100. So the f of t is t to the power 100, so the Laplace of t to the power 100 becomes 100 factorial by s to the power 101, because the formula is Laplace of t to the power n becomes n factorial by s to the power n plus 1. This is the basic formula of Laplace. The formula is implemented here. So by first-stepping theorem, we have to just convert the s in the term of s minus a. Here a is 4, so s minus a to the power 101. The answer, final answer becomes 100 factorial by s minus 4 to the power 101. Now we saw it in the Laplace form. Now we will see it in the Laplace inverse form. We will see this form. Okay, in further. The next question, if the question is asked for Laplace inverse, see, for Laplace inverse of 7 by s minus 1's whole cube becomes Laplace inverse of f of s minus a. We have to just find the s minus a, then we will implement the Laplace inverse of f of s. Now see, the f of t, what? Laplace inverse of f of s. So Laplace inverse of f of s, what? 7 by sq is the f of s, because the one is here a, s minus a, it is in the form of s minus a, that is s minus 1, a is 1, because s equal to 1, 1 is a. So after deleting the a, if we took the value of a, after that further we will not use the a here, we have to take the a outside. Now without using a, what is the question becomes 7 by sq. Now the f of s is what? 7 by sq. Laplace inverse of 7 by sq, what? 7 take outside, then Laplace inverse of 1 by s square plus 1. That is, see here, Laplace inverse of n factorial by s to the power n plus 1. It is whose it is I mean it is whose Laplace? It is t to the power n's Laplace. If we will use here 1, then the n factorial will go that side and divide here, that become 1 factorial. Same the formula is here used here. The 1 is here and the n factorial is here. For s square, the 2 factorial will be in the denominator. The 7 into t square by 2 factorial is the answer. Now we have to just multiply the e to the power t here and we will get the answer finally. Now see, I will explain it easily here. See, 7 into Laplace inverse of 1 by s square plus 1. That is Laplace inverse of 1 by s cube. Forget the 7, okay? Just see this term, s cube, which becomes Laplace inverse of 1 by s square plus 1. Okay, now see, for Laplace, whose Laplace is this? T to the power n. Laplace is what? N factorial by s to the power n plus 1. Okay, here the s to the power n plus 1 is here. Let's say n is 2, so s to the power 2 plus 1 is here. But in above, in place of n factorial, we use 1 here. So the where is the n factorial? The n factorial goes that side in the denominator. Okay, what is the answer of this? We found the answer of this is t to the power n, because t to the power n Laplace is this. So we will see Laplace of t to the power n equal to Laplace inverse of this. If the n factorial is here, then the n factorial is here. This is the simple. Okay, thank you. Stay updated to see next videos.